HeelsNClutch, your very own tour right here, right now. We are sitting next to the in-cabin features of the AFEELA 1. So we want to check.
My name is Shugo Yamaguchi. I'm the President and CEO of Sony Honda Mobility of America. It's an honor to welcome you all to this incredible night here in Los Angeles. Through unity and resilience, we moved forward together. AFEELA 1 is built upon three core pillars in technology, film, music, and gaming. It's deeply integrated into this vehicle. AFEELA 1 reservation holders gain access to the world of exclusive events. From the Fire Aid benefit concert, a red carpet night at the Grammys, to the Academy Museum Oscar watch party, and so much more.
Okay, I'm in it. It sounds good.